Assalamualaikum friends. Today we will talking about a vitamin that helps to enhance the beauty of your skin and body. Vitamin C is an important source to enhance the beauty of our skin and body. If you have problems of gums bleeding, pimples, blackheads, acne, pigmentation, blood deficiency, so give a think that why do you have all these problems? Today we discuss how to cure all these problems. Please like, share and comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel Pakistan Pharma. Now we will discuss that what kind of medicine that we should take for deficiency of vitamin C. There is a bottle of Cecon tablet with lemon and orange flavor 500 mg. It has 40 chewable tablets. Its price is 97 rupees. Some people have problems of gums bleeding. They should take these tablets. Most of the people do not have knowledge about deficiency of vitamin C and they are going through deficiency of vitamin C and how to fulfill it. They are not knowing that we need 96 gram vitamin C. If you have pimples on your face, it can also be due to the deficiency of this vitamin. Most of the people have concept that just oranges contains vitamin C, but it's not true. Guava also has property of this vitamin. Green chili, potato, strawberry, capsicum, mangoes, lemon also have vitamin C. If you have skin problem like acne, pimples, etc., you should take this supplement to cure your deficiency. Vitamin C also helps to absorb iron in our body. Vitamin C also fight against cancerous tumors. It helps to fair your skin, make strong your liver. Yellow eye color also indicates water deficiency and vitamin C deficiency. If you have vitamin C tablets, it is very good for your skin, nails and hair. You can take one tablet daily. The color of this tablet is yellow. The precaution is don't eat it with empty stomach. Remember that which people have sensitive throat and thyroid people should take 2 sips of water after chew this tablet. It has sour taste. Water will clean their throat. It has property of antioxidant that helps to clean your blood, veins, liver. It also best for kidneys cleanser. You can use one bottle of it. There is no side effect except excessive use of this vitamin. If you take vitamin C above 200 mg, it would be reacted on your body. You can suffer from diarrhea, vomiting, heartburn. It can upset your